How to delete maps on maps.me. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can delete maps on maps.me. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end and you'll be directed on how to go about it. So the first step is to log in into your maps.me account, just like I've done here, and then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some options such as search, route, hub, favorite, more. Click on the more option. So by clicking on more, you'll be brought to the page where you can see other options. So go ahead to click on download maps, and then on the offline maps page, just move to the bottom left corner and click on the edit option. Then you can now see the option for you to delete by the bottom right corner of the screen. So just go ahead to select the map that you would love to delete, move to the bottom right corner, click on the delete option, and then just like that, the particular map rather would be deleted. So it is as simple as that. So this is how you can delete maps on maps.me. Thank you for watching and have a good day.